SMS marketing has very high open rates, so if you have an SMS subscriber list, you have a highly engaged audience that's likelier to see your messages and act on them. That's why we are going to create a simple pop-up in a few minutes to increase your business's SMS subscribers, and trust me when I say it's going to be completely free. Let's begin. So go to popupsmart.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. After that, let's continue with new campaign. I will name my campaign, let's say SMS subscribers, and then we should choose a domain, then save it. Then you'll be directed to Playbook, where you can see all the pop-up templates there all ready to use. On the left-hand panel, you can see the business goals to filter the pop-up templates. Then we have the pop-up types. We have the light pop-up, full screen pop-up, and floating bar pop-up. And then you can just see animated pop-ups only if you want to, and then you can see multi-step ones if you want to. So I will click Get More Phone Calls. This is my goal. Then scroll down, you will see Collect SMS Subscribers. Let's see this one. Okay, this has other steps as well, so I will just select this pop-up. Okay, we're on the Customize step. This is where we can add new elements to our pop-ups like image or headline text, subtext, and then you can add a coupon code, countdown timer, whatever you wish. But I'm just happy with the look of my pop-up, at least the elements on it. I just want to change the images to show you how you can do it. Let's say I'm selling shoes on my website, so I will just use a 3D shoe illustration. And let's see the other steps as well. Again, I will change the images on these steps as well. And last, we have the success pop-up, and then I'll just use this check mark. Okay, this is good, but this is a bit big for me, so I will just click contain from the layout and then arrange the size of the elements. Okay, this is good. So I can also change the text on my pop-up, considering that I'm changing the concept of this pop-up. Let's say, bring this fashion to your life, maybe, or you can just write whatever you want. And then we have the other text, stay ahead of the curve with our constantly evolving selection of futuristic home decor. Let's say shoes instead. Of course, you can go very creative with these texts as well. This is good. I will just continue, and then let's check. Okay. So I'm happy with how my pop-up looks right now. Let's see how it looks on the mobile. As you can see, it's mobile friendly. And then now let's continue with style. You can see the theme engine here. You can try all the ready-to-use themes. Let's choose desktop, and you can just see how it changed the background and the font as well. Maybe this one. Okay, then I will just click apply theme. I can change the size of my pop-up here. I can change its position on the website as well. So from the body style section, you can change the background color as well. If you want, you can add image as a background, or you can add an animation for your background as well. You can add an overlay to make your pop-up more eye-catching. You can change the shape of your pop-up, and you can change the opening effect as well. So from the style section, you can also change the size of your text, and then if you want, you can change the font. You can just search font library for the exact font that you want to use on your pop-up. Let's see this one, for example. Okay, this is good. And then we have the form style. Let's see the second step, the phone number form. If you want, you can change the background fill, or you can just change its shape as well. From the button style, you can change the shape of your button and its color as well. Shall we make it black? Let's change the text and make it white. Okay, this is good. We can also change the style of the close button. From the segment step, you can just arrange who do you want to show your pop-up to. As you can see, you can just click change segments, and you will see all the predefined segments that you can use. And then if you want to start from scratch and create your own rules, click my segments, then create. For this pop-up, I want to continue with form submissions. I'll just click apply and edit. So from the audience section, you can choose visitor devices. You can show your pop-up on desktop and mobile. You can show it to new visitors or returning ones only. If you click add new audience, and then you can see you can just schedule your pop-up campaign. You can change the browser language. For example, you can choose English if you want to show your pop-up to the visitors whose browser language is English. Then we have the user behavior targeting. As you can see, we have after scrolling X% targeting, which means as the visitors scroll 30% of the website, they will see your pop-up. Or we have the after X seconds targeting, which means if the visitor spends 10 seconds on your website, then they will see your pop-up. Below you can see frequency settings. You can display your pop-up on every page view or every session, or you can stop displaying the pop-up if someone submits an email or clicks a button, or if they closes the pop-up. Let's save it and continue with publish. Now you can continue with publish. On the publish step, you can see your targeting summary. You can set up autoresponder, or you can just set up self-email notification if you want. You have the integration section here as well, and then we have the Google Analytics if you want to integrate it as well. I'm happy with my campaign, so I will publish it and I will show you how it looks on the website. So this is how the pop-up looks on the website. So that's it. You can create a free pop-up to increase SMS subscribers at popupsmart.com, and I should remind you that there is no coding involved in the process. Go ahead and try it out for free and let me know in the comments how you like it. Bye!